South Goa was left in shock after back-to-back kidnapping cases involving 5 minor boys were registered this week in Mainakurtri, Margaon and Vasco police stations. South Goa was left in shock after back-to-back kidnapping cases involving 5 minor boys were registered this week in Mainakurtri, Margaon and Vasco police stations. A few days ago, Margaon police first registered a case of a missing boy from Margaon. Soon after, a second case was filed involving the alleged kidnapping of an 11-year-old boy and a 14-year-old boy from the same family. Mainakurturi police also registered a case of a missing minor boy in their jurisdiction. Similarly, Vasco police registered a case regarding the alleged kidnapping of a 14-year-old boy from near a school. Thankfully, police have solved all 4 kidnapping cases. In all the cases, the boys belong to migrant families. Mainakurturi police traced the missing boy to his native place in Orissa. The 2 boys from Naveli were also located in their native village in Uttar Pradesh. The boy reported missing from Vasco was traced to Ratnagiri, Maharashtra, while another boy was traced by Margaon police to a city in North India. South Goa police told Prudent that as soon as they received complaints of minors going missing, they promptly registered FIRs for kidnapping as required by law and subsequently traced those boys and reunited the minors with their families. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.